With wholesale and with finding distressed properties, you got 4 pillars of pre-qualification: motivation, timeline, price, and condition. If it meets one of those pillars, you gotta go on the appointment.
Like a boss.
The property we're going today, Blacksmith and Seekonk. The owner gives us a call, and this thing's been vacant for 17 years. Let's go out on the appointment. We're outside 127 Blacksmith in Seekonk. We found this deal, driving for dollars, driving around these nice neighborhoods. They did want to sell the property. They wanted to sell fast. Let's check it out. The nice thing about this property that's different from all these other ones is that we're on like an acre and a half. First off, raised ranches, people love raised ranches. There was a wall up here, all right, like a big divider. That's how the houses used to be, kind of like segmented. So we blew this wall out. We ripped up all the carpet, doing a brand new kitchen. We're gonna put a beautiful island in here. I mean, over here, they're just bedrooms with plywood down, nothing yet. You know, there's a full bath that we're gonna renovate. One thing I gotta tell you about this job site that's very different than most job sites is it's incredibly organized and clean. Everything here has a place, it's cleaned up when the day's over. So who's designing this? I partnered up with one of my best friends, so he's managing all the flips. His dad runs the projects. His dad's a general contractor. They're here early and they just crank all day and they're doing high quality service. They're licensed, they're insured. It's a beautiful thing. All right, so when we bought this was gutted. Generally in a raised ranch, the downstairs is unfinished. So basically what we're gonna do is we're turning this into a really nice living, kind of like entertaining area. It was already framed out, luckily for us. We're gonna put in a full bathroom down here. Right, so we're gonna turn it from a 3-bed, 1-bath to a 4-bed, 2 full bath. And then as you come over here, all right, we're gonna make this into a big bedroom. You can't call it a bedroom because it's below grade, but if we're all living in a reality right now, that's a closet, this is a big room, people will live down here. Because as a raised ranch, they only count the upstairs square footage, which is like 1,000 square feet in this house, but now it's gonna be about 2,000 square feet. We bought this thing for $325, probably gonna cost all in 60 grand in the renovation, 15K in closing costs. So call it, we're up to 400 now. We should probably sell it for about 500, but at 500, you're paying a real estate commission on that of 25K. I'd say conservatively, we'll make probably 60 on this. We're gonna crush it. My team is gonna get the transaction to the finish line perfectly. We're gonna close early or on time, give them all the money that they want or what we agreed upon, and then I'm gonna knock this flip out.